Question number 7, paper 1. Very interesting question. And look at the facets they have got. What are tsunamis? 1. How and where they are formed? 3. And what are their consequences? 4 parts, and you have to explain with example. Interesting question. The parts have to be carefully taken here, and every part would have some marks associated with it. You can start with the definition of tsunami, you can have etymology, tsunami, and that can be one way to break the ice. Also, you can have some fact-based, because there's so much of thing was in news, like UNESCO, IOC, that was in news with the number of tsunamis coming in recent time, and those reports can also be referred as a starting point. Nevertheless, what is tsunami? You can possibly write it, and then maybe give a flow chart also. Maybe you show a diagram, and then when you make a diagram, box it and label it also, essentially, and how they are formed. The physics of it can be explained here. And then the various factors like volcanic to submergence, landslides, and whatever factors that they have got. Ecological consequences, you have to mention it exclusively, especially in the coastal region where they are affecting it. And economic consequences that you can show, social and humanitarian consequences, human-related impact that they have generated. Geopolitical, that can make your answer look a little special, that how this is connected to the geopolitics of it. And then a lot of diagrams, maps can be shown, the areas where the tsunamis are likely to take place. And then when you conclude it, I suppose you can refer the hazard related references for closing it. Policy, you can't really stop tsunami, but you can prepare yourself. And for the kind of technology that we have got, right from the satellite technology to the integrated network of information that we have across the world, and then give, maybe you can use a forward-looking example for it, for concluding the answer, where you can talk about how the coastal risk mitigation has been adopted in some international best practices like Japan. And that can be making your answer look very positive and optimist for a hazard question.